So we made it out to Las Vegas for spring break. Awesome. We came to the Luxor just to walk around. Hey Brady, come look at these. Some claw games.
I need the swiper thing.
We've got claws on claws on claws.
Oh, you mean I need a Lolo set.
Gonna have fun. We got a view of the Luxor. We're staying at Excalibur. And I have to say, like, the beds are super comfortable and the room is pretty big. Like, yeah, it's basic, but...
You can win more.
Well, we made it to the mountain.
I said we were going to do a race. You have a glasses on.
Ooh, he just hit the jump. Those aren't cactuses, those are Joshua trees. Yeah.
So we're gonna be going around to the arcades today.
It's my turn.
Okay, I got this shot.
Of the sign. Okay, if I had to compare the arcade at Excalibur and at New York, New York, Excalibur is like, it's very expensive. We went through $150 in like no time really. They do have a hot dog stand and Dairy Queen downstairs, so I was able to get the kids a $7 hot dog in between playing, so at least they had something to eat and that was really convenient. Florida boy travels. I think just doing local Vegas stuff, and then I think we're gonna go ski Mount Charleston at Lee Canyon tomorrow. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. There's so many pools here, I don't know where it is. Hoover Dam, y'all. Triple dog area. Ah!
The water's really low in the corner.
This is where the Colorado River flows through these valleys right here.
Are you guys gonna eat hot dogs or what?
Me and Daddy rode on a boat with our friend Ira out on that lake.
No, don't take them there. Hey, where's the roller
food's
coaster
up.
at? All right, where's the baby?
Awesome time.
There's two.
I don't think you want to watch it. It's pretty scary.
I want to watch it.
All right, well, I'll let you watch it one day.
What?
I'll let you watch it one day.
Where are they?
Right there. What you think about this mountain? It's got a barricade.
Yeah, that's where the water was. That's the old water line, and you can see how it's gone down, down, down. So today we are gonna try and go skiing at Lee Canyon, which is like 45 minutes outside of Las Vegas. And they've had like 50 inches of powder this March, so we should like have some good snow out there and maybe get a ski lesson for the kids, and we'll see how it goes. And then
Brady, you're flying! Slow down, Brady! You alright, Benji?
you want a massage? Make your way to the van with your suitcase, please. So cool. And look at this. Rah.
Turn to stop the other way, Benji!
Logan.
the hot tub over there?
Yeah, we have two.
Oh, okay, on this side and that side? Ah, gotcha. An old coin counter. Put the coins in here. How about this guy? Got my last name.
Whoa.
Okay, so this is day 2 up at Mount Charleston where Lee Canyon ski area is. So everybody got to ski yesterday. Well, not me and the baby, but that's okay. And we are checking out of Mount Charleston Lodge, I think it's called. There you go, you little snow baby.
It's like there was more, but it just fell off.
That's what it looks like. Or they carved it off or something. We didn't really play any at New York, New York. We went and checked it out because we were just like too tired at that point. But they had some really new, nice looking games. And I don't know the price comparison, but I can't really say if one's better than the other because I didn't play enough, but New York, New York looked really nice too, and there was a ton of kids in there.
No gas available in town.
Oh, we're still full, so we're good. Both good options, and you can get to both on the tram. And it's super easy, so that's all I have for now.
Should I hit the jump?
Yeah.
Maybe if Brady is okay.
There, by the hot tub. That is the hot tub.
Oh, the building's so pretty, you guys.
Can I go just on my tablet?
Yeah, at least I found it.
Cool.
All right, I made it to the top.
Beautiful view, Mootsie. Mootsie, what do you think of the mountains?
Just a bear cave.
A
Two
bear
bear
cave?
caves
Yeah.
in it.
It's a little snowman.
The old cash register.
Drinking and industrial water and hydroelectric power. Today, Lake Mead irrigates more than 1 million acres in the United States and Mexico. The lake's water can reach kitchens and Tucson lawns in Los Angeles or farms of the Imperial Excalibur.
We are staying at the Rio, and our room is huge, and it's really nice.
We don't have, as long as we don't have to park, we can do it for free. You can park over there on the other side and see.
Look at the Hoover Dam! You want to do it?
Yeah, I know. Even before I was born. That's right. And now she's getting older. Kelly wants to slow down and find something different to do with her time.
You all right? Okay.
Room come to our Rio. So we went to the Hoover Dam today and we saw some longhorn, obviously at Lake Mead. We might go to the Rio pool. We really love the Rio room because it's so big for our family. Ben Ricker says he knows. So we'll see. But here's the room.
Logan was training to do this.
He's gonna do his destiny. There's the two beds, a lot of room.